Hopefully the video is now working. Yes. Okay, so we're looking at linear interpolation. I wrote down the frequencies, then the cumulative frequencies we're going to need for that, and check, yep, I add up to 90, and the question it says 90. So the median is 19/2, which is 45. So we know that it's in between, it's in this interval here, which goes from 24 to 45, to 58. So 45 is going to be in here somewhere. I guess 23 to 58. So, and that's the interval there. There's no gaps between the boundaries, so we don't have to close the gap, so we can just write this straight down. So somewhere between 248 and 252 lies the median, right? And we know that's the 45th value, which is between the 23rd and the 58. And then we use ratio. So this distance here, which is m take away 248, divided by that whole distance there, which is 252 minus 248, is equal to this distance here, which is 45 minus 23, over this whole distance here, which is 58 minus 23. So that's the setup, and then we simplify that. So m minus 248 over, what's that there, 4, is equal to 40. I'm being lazy. 22 is that? 22 over. Actually, I should use my calculator because I wasn't going to make a mistake like yesterday, aren't I? 58 minus 23, so over 35. So 22 over 35 times by 4. So m is equal to 245 plus 4 times 22 over 35, which is equal to plus 245. It's not 245 though, is it? Yes, it is. It's 248. It's 248. See how easy it is to make a mistake. So we get 250.51 to 2 decimal places. Okay. Estimate the mean and the standard deviation of the mass of contents of the pack of calf coffee to 1 decimal place. So the mean, which will be worth 1 mark, is sigma. Okay, we've got frequency times midpoint, isn't it? So it's sigma. Well, have they given it to us? Let's have a look. Page up. Oh, well, no. Sigma Fy over n. And that's where y is the midpoint, which is y bar. And here that's going to be, oh, what's the quick way? You can put all of that into your calculator, actually, and it'll give you, maybe that's the best thing to do. Let's have a look. Statistics. 1 variable, but it is mine table. So we need to go to setup, statistics, frequency on. There we go. So hopefully you saw that. So I went to statistics, then I went to 1 variable, and then I went menu or setup, and down to statistics, and then put frequency on. So I'm going to put the midpoints in, 242.5, and I think it's easier to do all the midpoints and then come back and do the frequencies. It's quicker. 246.5, 250, 253.5. Still filming, lovely. 257.5. Okay, so there's just 5 boundaries, isn't there? And so the frequency of that is 8, and then 15. You just press equal and it just goes down. So I think that's the quickest way of doing it. 35, 23, and 9. And then what do you do? Calc, I think it is it? Or, okay, shift calc, no, calc, options. So then you press options, 1 variable calc. Let's try that. There we go. So we've got, well, it says X bar, but we know it's Y bar here. So 250. Hello, and this is, so this is taken from an old spec paper. So which is why we can actually do this a lot easier with the new specs. We've got these fancy new calculators. I'm going to put 0.4. I'm going to write that straight down. That's the 1 decimal place. And then we want, what's it asked for? It wants the standard deviation, which is that of, well, my calculator says X, but it's Y, and we get 3.95495. The reason why I'm writing all that out is because to 1 decimal place, that's going to be 4.0 to 1 decimal place, All right, so that's just an easy application of the brand new Gloss Whiz.